Hello, I'm Al Smith, and yes, I was a Bruxism sufferer until I found a natural and holistic way to stop grinding my teeth. Let's see if we can identify the causes of your teeth grinding. Some people suffer Bruxism for many years of their lives, and they suffer it without ever realizing that they do it. It can be difficult to stop grinding your teeth once bruxism progresses, but don't worry, there is a way to stop. The quicker you begin noticing your bruxism symptoms, the easier it will be for you to stop grinding your teeth. There might be several different causes. Some behavioral patterns are related to teeth grinding. So what are the symptoms of bruxism, and how will you come to know, and how will you come to understand them? Bruxism is a habit. We need to understand that it is a habit. It's a habit you need to break, and it's a habit you need to rid yourself of. Stress, drugs, and nervous conditions. They all contribute towards your teeth grinding. Often we are unaware of our stress levels, and often we are unaware of our nervous conditions. A mouth guard can be a temporary solution. We need to understand that it is just a temporary solution. It will stop further abrasion of your teeth, but it will not stop your bruxing habit. TMJ pain is often associated with bruxism. Grinding may produce jaw pain. Now, to stop the jaw pain, you will need to stop your teeth grinding. Is now the time to start breaking your bruxism habit? I hope you have made the decision to do so. A natural, holistic program is available. It's available to help you break your bruxism habit. The treatment is very inexpensive. All you need to do to review one of these products is click on a button below. Thank you for taking time to listen to my video, and thank you for taking time to understand a little more about bruxism. If you're on my website, as I said, just press the button below, and if you're at YouTube, click the link below for bruxism-teethgrinding.com. Take care and start today to stop your bruxism habit.